started using RAM tracking about 8 or 9 years ago. We didn't want all the bells and whistles and the associated costs that went with it. It was just what we needed, and it just does what it says on the tin. And it offered good value for money. And back in the day, I think all we wanted was a basic tracking device. As years have moved on, as I've got more involved, we've wanted more and more information about driver behaviour. So we're looking at how fast people are driving, how harshly they're braking, how quickly they're accelerating, how harshly they're cornering, things like impact detection, so we can actually start to drill down on what the drivers are doing, when they get there, when they leave. So that's a crucial element to the whole part of the business. We've just recently taken dash cams on board with RAM, something we've been looking at for a number of years, and trialled a number of different dash cam setups. Settled with RAM, again, cost effective, and for the majority of the fleet it means that we've got the dash cam and tracker as one combined portal, rather than having to flip between one page of one supplier and one page of another. When we started with RAM, it was just on the scaffolding side of the business, but because of the long-standing relationship the scaffolding side of Rilmac have had, that has led to RAM being taken on board to other parts of the Rilmac group based on their experience, or good experience, of working with RAM.